get up on this storm. It's gonna be okay. I promise. I'm right here, okay? Don't get scared. It's okay, it's okay. You got this. Don't be scared. How about we distract ourselves with about your day? How was your day? Good? That's good. Weather was good. Yeah. Yeah, the storm's gonna last a while, so I'm here, I'm in. I'm not used to it. I mean, of course I can cover you anytime. I just am not getting it. Help with it. That helps me. You play with my hair. There. You better now? It's relaxing. Sounds like the thunder's all done. It's just rain. If I'm tingling up your hair, I'm sorry. It wasn't very productive. It was just pretty boring, but other than that, it's fun. Air's so soft. Getting sleepy now. I'm not shocked. You really like running sounds. I'm not thunder. I look, you don't like thunder either, so. I mean, I like thunder. I mean, holy shit. Holy lord. I literally have electricity as then. How the fuck do I not like it? You know what? I don't like how... I don't know. Just kind of tough right now. What? You're welcome. Don't need to say thank you for it. That was for free. Just don't be surprised if the power goes out. So, what? I guess we could go somewhere tomorrow. It just depends on the weather. Oh. Yeah. Should count it as a date. Or where do you want to go? Picnic? I kind of want to wait for like a nicer day for that since tomorrow is going to be kind of cloudy. I don't want it to be too hot or too cold, and I don't want it since it's probably in a cafe. Yeah, I guess that could work. I like cafes too. And then I could take you, I don't know. I'm trying to think. Oh, that's a brainstorming. So, I want it to be a surprise though. So, I'll make it a surprise, okay? You wanna go to bed now? Yeah. I mean, I'm kinda getting tired.